Everybody, one of those days, I gotta give my bird a bath. So, there's Ruby, and he hates it. Look at that. You take a bath in your drinking bowl, and it's only as big as your belly. But you'll want... No. You gotta take a bath. I see how you take a bath in your bowl. You're not taking a bath in your bowl. That's your drinking water. Get in there. Get in there. Go. I don't care. Get in there. I made sure it's lukewarm. Get in there. Take a bath. Fluff up your feathers like you do in your weak drinking bowl. That is your drinking bowl, not your bath bowl. You hear me? That is not... This is a shower. You don't like this either. See? He's ducking his head. I think that's enough. You think that's enough, Ruby? Wanna get out? Come on. Come on, Ruby. Come on. Let me give you a sec. You done with your shower? Come on. Come on. Your nails are long. I need to trim them. Shake. Go. Shake your head. There you go. Good boy. You good boy? Say hello. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Say hello. Hello there. Hello there. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Hello there. There you go, boy. There you go. Hello. You poo-pooed in the shower? Yeah, you did. You poo-pooed in the shower. Did that scare you? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Wait, potato? Whoops, sorry.